And we start tonight with violent storms in this summer packed with extreme weather and excessive heat. Tonight, we're talking about Tropical Storm Hilary, which slammed Southern California with record-breaking rainfall, strong winds, and widespread floodwaters. This is the biggest storm, the strongest storm to hit the Golden State in more than 8 decades. Aerial footage shows the transformation from sunny deserts and palm trees to a wasteland of thick mud covering everything in sight. The mud several feet deep in some areas, water turning roads and interstates into rivers. Officials warn that the rains and flooding will continue as the storm moves north toward the Canadian border. We have team coverage tonight of this unprecedented storm. CBS's Carter Evans will start us off from hard-hit Oak Glen, California. Good evening, Carter.
Good evening, Nora. Neighbors could tell trouble was coming when they heard the rumbling of the huge boulders and logs headed downstream. Just imagine the force when it slammed into this building, ripping it right open. Tonight, neighborhoods buried in several inches of mud and residents left knee-deep in aggravation. Trees are going. Hilary packed a wallop for a region that last saw a tropical storm 84 years ago. Boulders tumbled. Across Southern California, many tried to drive on flooded roads, some that turned into muck. This truck ended up half buried. Even rescuers needed to be rescued.
I am trapped. Yeah, I'm trapped.
This is normally a dry wash right here. All the debris clogged up the drains, and now you've got the water flowing right over the road. Palm Springs normally gets about 4.5 inches of rain a year. It received nearly that much in one day. And so much standing water on roads that looked okay. This is what happened as cars tried to brake coming down Interstate 5. And in the midst of one natural disaster, a 5.1 earthquake jolted the town of Ojai and was felt over a wide area. It was that kind of day. Tina Patel is with our Los Angeles station, KCAL.
Look at the size of this eucalyptus tree that came down in Sun Valley overnight. It narrowly missed the home but crushed 2 cars. This is a common sight around Southern California. In addition to trees being uprooted, there were several power lines that came down. During the height of the storm, more than 40,000 people in LA lost power.
In Oak Glen, the fear was a repeat of a mudslide that came crashing through last year. That fear came true.
Going through the town, you can definitely see all the devastation.
Kyle McCullough said his dad owned this building for years and wanted to turn it into a restaurant.
I think he just kind of planned on one day it was going to be his dream to open it back up for the community, but yeah.
What's it look like inside?
10 times worse than the outside. There's a tree that's inside that's probably 20 foot long.
That bad, huh?
I don't think that we'll be able to fix it.
And looking at the sunny skies out here now, you'd never know such a powerful storm just blew through here. Now the cleanup begins, but this family tells me they're still in shock. And Nora, they don't even know where to start.
Yeah, just devastating. Carter Evans, thank you.